In this video, we will learn about the addition of the new styles into the EndNote styles. And here again, you can see you can see a manuscript, and in this manuscript, you can see the style I am using is virology for the virology journal. But I want to change it from virology to the cell, host, and microbe. For that, I have to select another style, and from the other slide option, here it will pop up, and you will see I want to search cell, host, and microbe because I want to submit to that journal. For that, I am searching cell, host, and microbe. You can see the style is not present within the EndNote X mine styles. So I have to search this style from the internet. Then I have to import the style into EndNote. Then I can use it in Microsoft Word. For that, I am opening the Chrome. Here you can see. Then I am searching the cell host microbe EndNote style. And from the EndNote style, you can see it will allow us to visit the EndNotes.com style downloads. And in that I have to select it. I have to select this option that is on the top. And here you can see cell host micro, subscribe number this, then discipline and like that. Then I want to download this style. This style is downloaded. Here you can see in the downloads, this style is present. So now I want to I will double click on this slide style, and that style is directly open into the node. And then I have to select save as from the file menu. Then here you can see there is option cell host microbe, and at the end copy is written. I will remove the copy by using the backspace, and so now the name is cell host microbe. So I'm saving it, and after that I will close this. And now first I will select another style, and from here I will select the cell host microbe. Here you can see after the cell, there is an option of cell host and microbe. I am choosing it, and after the choose here the reference style is changed. Now in the word I want to change the style of my manuscript from the virology to the cell host and microbe. So I'm selecting it, and for that I'm selecting select another style, and then I'm going to the cell host microbe option here, immediately below the cell. Then I'm selecting it, and then I'm selecting OK. Then here you can see the style is being updated into the Microsoft Word. In this way, you can add the new style, and you can change the style of your manuscript according to your desire, and even where you want to submit. For example, from one, it is the routine practice that we submit our manuscript to one journal, and it may be rejected one time, two time, or three times. And for that, you may have to change the styles. And in this way, you can change the styles as well as you can add the new style and then use that new style for the specific journals. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. I will try to answer it. Thank you so much.